How to uninstall apps on Android phone that won't uninstall. So if for some reason you cannot delete an app from your home screen or app library, maybe this feature is simply not available for you, then I'm going to show you two ways how you can delete apps. Let's get started. Firstly, just open up the app drawer, press and hold the app you want to uninstall, and check if the feature appeared here. So I do have the feature uninstall, but maybe for some reason you cannot see it. Maybe it is the default app as contacts or just phone is lagging. So first thing we can do is open the settings, scroll down to the apps tab, and from here scroll down until you find an app you wish to uninstall. So what you can do is, let me just tap different app. So what you can do is you can tap uninstall from here if the feature is available, or you can force stop the app. Also, in some apps and features, we have the option disable. So you can tap on that as well and disable the app. After that, it won't work until you enable it back in the Play Store. So you can either disable it, you can force stop it, and try to find uninstall button here as well. Now, if you did that but still no result, then what else you can do is you can go ahead and open the Play Store. Now tap your profile icon in the top right and choose Manage Apps and Device. From here, switch to the Manage on the top and you will see the list of all your apps. So just go through this list to find an app you want to delete. Click on that and choose button Uninstall. Now just confirm, and after that this app will be immediately uninstalled from your phone. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.